This is my review of the iCooker digital timer. It's a nice size. It's about the size of your palm of your hand. On the back there is a magnet. It actually hangs on your refrigerator or any other magnetic surface. There is a kickstand to where you could have it propped up sitting on a counter. Try to close it. Okay. There is a spot for a AAA battery and the on-off button on the side. So let's go ahead and give it a trial run. Okay. As you can see, you have nice big numbers for you to be able to read, minutes and seconds. Minutes, seconds, start and stop. So we'll add some time. You can hear a nice loud. So we have 4 minutes and 3 seconds on our timer, and we'll start it. You can see it counting down. Should we want to pause it, we'll just hit stop. And it paused it. If we want to clear it and start over, just hold those 2 minute and second down. If we want to hear what it sounds like when it goes off, we'll just go ahead and put 3 seconds on and start it. And there we go. There's a quick rundown of how the iCooker digital kitchen timer works. Overall, it's great.